Hey guys, so this mounting a TV makes it look better. Well, you can see here, I have mounted this TV onto this TV cabinet, and just imagine if this TV is right down here. So it's gonna occupy a lot of space, right? And it's gonna be very low, and TV height is actually depends on your viewing angle, right? So I prefer the TV to be up here, so I have mounted my TV onto this TV cabinet. Another good thing about mounting a TV is obviously the amount of space you get when you have mounted a TV. It looks more nice, it is better, and there is also this tilt angle that you can adjust when you mount your TV. As you can see here, I can actually tilt my TV up and down like this. So now you have a tilt angle that you can make when you mount your TV, right? And also when you mount your TV, you're gonna get a lot of space where you can keep your stuffs on the cabinet. I know that many TVs nowadays, they come with stands and you can place them on your cabinet. But when you place your TV on the cabinet with stands, and it's gonna occupy a lot of spaces on your cabinet. So see you guys later.